right, so here we are finishing our last set of questions. So we are on question, what, 55? You may have to scroll back up. All right, so find the indicated measures. The angle BCF, or BFC. Yeah, there's all the angle measures. So 50 degrees. Arc CDE is, the sum of 90 and 40. And BCD, sum of 90 and 50. Very good. All right. Mason. Oh, the other way around. Put it on the front.
Code.
Yeah. All right, so for number 56, find the measure of arc XW. Well, to do that, we need to solve for x. Since those two angles do make a straight line, you can add them together and set them equal to 180. So, subtract or add the 5 over, get 5x equals 185. Divide by 5, x equals 37. Multiply that times 4 and add 1. Gives you 149 degrees. Very good. Logan. All right, so find the length of EF. To do that, you need to first draw out a radii connecting E to H or F to H, doesn't matter which one, to make that triangle. We do know that EH is 17 because it's the sum of 8 and 9. So 8 squared plus A squared equals 17 squared. 17 squared minus 8 squared equals A squared. 289 minus 64. Yeah, there you go. Equals A. Scored a 225, not 255. All right. Gives you that other leg is 15. We have to multiply that by 2 to get the entire length of EF. So EF is 30. Very good. All right. Trace. 58. So this uses the rule that segments, segments that meet at the same point outside the circle are equidistant to the circle. So x is 12. X is 12. 26 minus, 26 minus 18. If it was 28 minus 16, you'd be correct. But 26 minus 18 is 8. So x is 8, which means that the perimeter should be 8 plus 8 plus 14 plus 14 plus 18 plus 18. See this little tab over here? Right over, there's your calculator. That gives you 80. So our perimeter is 80. All right. On is not here, so I will take number 59. All right. So this showed up on your tests, and a lot of people had trouble with it. So if this section is x, so is PC is also x, so PB is x plus 8. That is the hypotenuse. So x squared plus 12 squared is equal to x plus 8 squared. All right. Now, when you're squaring a binomial, make sure to multiply it by itself, x plus 8 times x plus 8, and you can multiply it however you like, but that should give you x squared plus 144 is equal to x squared plus 16x plus 64. Nice thing is x squareds are going to cancel. Subtract the 64, giving you 80 is equal to 16x. Divide by 16. X is equal to 5. Any questions on that one? So again, you can multiply however you like. If you like to distribute, if you like to make a box, I don't care how you multiply these together. You should just be able to do it. It's valid one. All right, Harrison. Okay, what'd you get? That is not correct. What kind of angle is y? It's a right angle, which means these two angles have to add up to 90 because that's all that's left in the triangle. Can you figure it out now? Well, no, they're not equal, but they do need to add up 90. So can you add them together instead of equal to 90? What do you get? Yeah, come on. I'll wait for you. We have all the time in the world. We have a whole nother day tomorrow if we need to. But I will expect you to actually try. You add these together, set it equal to 90. That's it. Yeah, you should do that. E2x plus 12. That is correct. So plug it in. What's 39 plus 12? There you go. So all right, so since we have a triangle with an inscribed angle that's encompassing a semicircle, that means angle y is 90 degrees. Now, that means the other two angles, x and a, or a and w, have to add up to 90 because that's all that's left in the circle, or all that's left in the triangle. So 2x plus 12 is equal to 90. Subtract the 12 to get 78. Divide by 2 to get x is 39. Since we want angle W, 39 plus 12 is 51. And that is it. All right. Chris, 61. Yeah. All right. Now x is fairly simple because it has a central angle, so the central angle is equal to the inscribed arc. So x is 60, well, 60. Y, however, is, y is an inscribed angle, so it is equal to half its intercepted arc. So y is 25. That is it. Joy. Solve for y. All right. In order to solve for y, we do need its arc. If we have 140 and 120, add them together, get 260. What's left in the circle is 100. And since y is an inscribed angle, it's half of 100, which is 50. All right. Bo. 63. Now, for 63, if you've, were a good student and actually did all these without waiting for someone else to do it for you, your answer will probably be different because there are, let's see here, there's 12 different ways you can answer this question for the first one. Okay? You just have to pick one of each. So pick a pretzel or mozzarella, pick Caesar or house, and pick pasta, cheeseburger, or veggie sandwich. You just pick one of each. That is it. All right? Now, listing 3 items that don't work, well, you can't pick 2 from the same choices. You can't have a house and a Caesar salad. You can't have pretzels and mozzarella. You can't have pasta and a cheeseburger. Okay? So salad, Caesar, should be house, right? Yeah. House salad, Caesar, and pasta. Yeah, you can't do that because you can't have 2 salads. That's it. That's as easy as that is. All right, Lucius. All right. You will need to know that if 2 events are independent, the probability of A and B is just the product of the probabilities A and B. So, what is 0.4 times 0.2? 0.08. That is it. And last one, Kyle. Now, when dealing with conditional probability, okay, probability of something occurring given that something else occurs, whatever you're given limits your sample space. Yeah, just go all the way down. There you go. So whatever you're given limits our sample space. So in this question, a psychologist studying how children acquire math skills. She gives the same question to children at different ages and records their results. What's probably the child is from group 2 or 3, given they got the question correct. Now, since we're given they got the question correct, my sample space is only the number that got correct, which you add all that up to get 20. And then the numerator is just those from group 2 and 3, which would be 9. So 9 out of 20, 0.45 or 45%, all of those is correct. And that is it. Questions on your final exam? No? It is all multiple choice, yes.